Welcome back to RJ Art Gallery, your go-to channel for amazing pencil drawing tutorials. In today's video, we'll be drawing the legendary actor Venkatesh Daggubati from the movie Sankranthiki Vasthunam. Let's begin by gathering our tools. I'll be using a pentel graph gear pencil, 5H and 2B pencils for detailing, a charcoal pencil for deep shading, a mono eraser for highlights, a sharpener and a scale for accurate measurements. Now that we have everything ready, let's get started. Drawing structure and measurements. On the left side, you'll see a reference video showing how to sketch this step by step. We'll follow that to create the outline on our paper. First, draw an 11.5 cm vertical line and a 15.5 cm horizontal line. Connect the top and bottom dots to form the basic outline of the face. For the hairstyle, mark 6 centimeters. And for the ears, each one will be 3 centimeters long. Next, for the eyes, use 2 centimeters for each eye. The spectacles are 12 centimeters wide with a 3 centimeter frame width. The nose will be 3 centimeters and the mouth is 3 centimeters with 0.5 centimeters for both the upper and lower lips. Now that we have the basic outline, it's time to bring this sketch to life by adding finer details. We'll begin with the eyebrows. Pencil to create soft, short strokes that mimic the natural hair texture. Keep the direction consistent and avoid making it too dark initially. We'll build up the layers gradually for a realistic effect. Next, draw the frame of the glasses. Use a precise hand to ensure the lines are clean and even. The frame is 3 centimeters wide, so keep the thickness consistent. Pay attention to the curve around the nose bridge and where the frame overlaps the eyebrows. The eyes are crucial for capturing expression. Start by lightly sketching the upper and lower eyelids. Make sure the iris is perfectly round and leave a small highlight to give the eyes a lifelike sparkle. Fill the pupil with a dark shade using the charcoal pencil for depth. By the way, all the product details and links are mentioned below in the description. If you're interested in getting these high-quality tools to level up your artwork, check them out. They've made a huge difference in my drawings and I highly recommend them. For the nose, draw the bridge first, keeping it light and subtle. Use soft shading on the sides to create a natural contour. sketch the upper and lower lips, keeping the 0.5 cm guideline in mind. For the teeth, draw them lightly, don't outline each tooth separately, or it'll look unnatural. Add gentle shadows at the corners for dimension. The mustache comes next. Use short strokes to match the hair direction, keeping the density even across. For the beard, follow a similar approach, focusing on areas with more shadow for contrast. Blend the edges slightly for a soft transition into the skin. The ears are 3 centimeters long, so follow the guideline to shape them. Add shadows inside the ear to create depth, but avoid making it too dark. The hairstyle is 6 centimeters long. Start by sketching the general flow of the hair. Use quick strokes with the charcoal pencil to add texture, following the natural direction of the hair strands. This will give the hair a realistic, voluminous appearance. Once the details are done, it's time to shade and blend the face for a smooth finish. Let's move on to shading and blending. We'll start from the forehead, moving down toward the chin. By the way, all the product details and links are mentioned below in the description. If you're interested in getting these high quality tools to level up your artwork, check them out. They've made a huge difference in my drawings and I highly recommend them. Use the blending stump to smooth out the strokes but maintain some texture for a natural look. For the hairstyle, focus on darker shading at the roots and lighter at the edges to give it depth. Use the charcoal pencil for the darker areas and blend with the stump to create soft gradients. Neck and shirt. Now sketch the neck and shirt. Add shadows to the neck to show depth and dimension. For the shirt, draw soft folds and blend to give it a realistic fabric texture. Also, don't forget to check out the description for links to the tools I used today. Investing in the right tools can make a huge difference in your art journey. Blend carefully to avoid smudging the face. And that's it. Our drawing of Venkatesh Daggubati is complete. I hope you enjoyed this step-by-step tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to RJ Art Gallery for more amazing drawing content. See you in the next video.